Hi everyone, Diana here. Thanks for joining us for 30 Second Thursdays. Today we are going to make brown butter. Melt a stick of unsalted butter in a sauce pot. Next, prepare an ice bath and set aside. Stir the butter with a whisk or spoon to keep the milk solids from burning on the bottom of the pot. The brown butter is done when it smells nutty and has a caramel color. Immediately dunk the sauce pot in the ice bath to stop the brown butter from cooking further. And you're done. And that's it. Brown butter. I'm Diana. Thanks for joining us for 30 Second Thursdays. See you next time. Bye.